everyone! Today we're going to be reading a book called Swimmy. The author of this book is Leo Lionni, so the author wrote all the words. The illustrator is also Leo Lionni, so he also did all the pictures. Okay, let's get started. A happy school of little fish lived in the corner of the sea somewhere. They were all red. Only one of them was as black as a mussel shell. He swam faster than his brothers and sisters. His name was Swimmy. Do you see him? Yeah, there he is. One day, a tuna fish, swift, fierce, and very hungry, came darting through the waves. In one gulp he swallowed all the little red fish. Only Swimmy escaped. He swam away in the deep, wet world. He was scared, lonely, and very sad. But the sea was full of wonderful creatures, and as he swam from marvel to marvel, Swimmy was happy again. He saw a Medusa made of a rainbow jelly. So look at this big jellyfish he saw. He saw a lobster who walked about like a water-moving machine. Strange fish pulled by an invisible thread. A forest of seaweed growing from sugar candy rocks. Wow, look at all the seaweed. An eel whose tail was almost too far away to remember. Wow. And sea anemones who looked like pink palm trees swaying in the wind. So these are called sea anemones. He saw so many sea creatures. Then, hidden in the dark shade of rocks and weeds, he saw a school of little fish just like his own. "Let's go swim and play and see things," he said happily. "We can't," said the little red fish. "The big fish will eat us all." "But you can't just lie there," said Swimmy. "We must think of something." So there are all the little red fish hiding. Swimmy thought and thought and thought, and suddenly he said, "I have it! We are going to swim all together like the biggest fish in the sea." So they're all going to work together. He taught them to swim close together, each in his own place. Wow, they look like a big fish. And when they had learned to swim like one giant fish, he said, "I'll be the eye." So there he is. And they swam in the cool morning water and in the midday sun and chased the big fish away. The end. So when they all worked together, they solved the problem. Thank you for reading this book with me today. Have a great day. Bye.